Vehicle window graphics offer a great opportunity for branding on their own or as part of a larger vehicle wrap. This is why we're proud to present Contra Vision AutoGraph, the first perforated window film specifically designed for vehicle graphics and other overlaminated applications. AutoGraph is the first perforated window film featuring air egress channels across every perforation in the adhesive. Even with overlaminate applied, these air egress channels allow trapped air to be easily expelled, resulting in a quick, smooth and bubble-free application. Contravision AutoGraph features patented technology that provides easier bubble-free application and minimises see-through distortion from overuse of a squeegee, a thinner long-life polymeric face film which allows for greater conformability to curved vehicle windows, an enhanced adhesion level while still allowing clean removability, and a specially formulated adhesive that allows for reliable cold weather application down to 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Scan the code to learn more about AutoGraph and our range of perforated window films or visit www.contravision.com.